Hey guys, so I was recently inspired to recreate this hairstyle that I used to always do as a teenager, and recently Chrisean Rock was seen rocking them, and I just really was inspired to like do that, of course, as an adult now, but I just think they're really cute. It's such a fun style. It gave me so much nostalgia doing it, and if you're interested, just keep watching. I started out with freshly washed hair because I think the style just looks best with my particular type of hair when it's freshly washed. I have really fine hair, and right now I'm just showing you how I pre-parted everything. This is a style that you want to plan ahead because it takes a lot of patience and it takes some technique to pull off, even though it looks like it's pretty easy. The back is just braided into two braids in the back, and in the front, like I said, I have these parts to just give me a good place to start with and a good visual about how the braids are going to sit. So I'm starting off, I'm going to show you how I did this section, and I've already completed this half. But don't worry, you're going to get everything you need because I'm going to show you how I did this entire section. So I'm starting out just creating my first part. I'm trying to get that as straight as I can, but listen, you don't have to be super precise with the parts. If they're not completely 100% neat, that's okay because this is not that type of style. But you do want to just make sure that they look nice. Like, just make sure your parts look at least straight, but they don't have to be, like I said, completely perfect. So I'm creating my sections, and what I'm doing is pulling each part to the side and lightly pinning it. You want to lightly pin it so that you can easily like pull it out when it's time to braid it. But like I said earlier, this style is all about preparation. So the parting is probably the hardest part because you're just making sure that it's easy for you to grab each next section and do that in a seamless way that doesn't make the style frustrating. And yeah, so you'll see the sections coming together. Each time that I part a new section, I'm just pinning it to an opposite side, and this is what I mean. And you'll see why I'm doing that. Again, it just makes it easier to grab that part. Some people prefer to like part as they braid, but I don't see how they do that because it's just hard enough having to braid and hold the braid with one hand and then pull the next section with the other for me. So I just find this to be the easiest technique, and I just sped it up a little bit so that you see how I part out that full section and get it ready for braiding. And this is a really fun style to do. I mean, if you're patient enough to get through it and to just trust the technique, trust the process. So this is what it looks like. Everything ready to go. Here I'm grabbing that first section, and you'll see that I'm just getting it ready, taking out any stray hairs, and I'm just going to start braiding it to whatever section I feel is most comfortable. You want to definitely start it out with however you naturally braid. And here's the technique. So in order to get those crisp curves, you want to take the next section and kind of part off a quarter of that section and then connect your current braid to that. And that's how you get that squiggly part right there or that curve. You just kind of like use that little quarter section of the next part as your anchor, and then once you've connected that, then you can go in and connect the rest of that part. And you're gonna see an example of this a few more times because I'm gonna show you how I braided this whole section. So you're just doing that same thing. I'm finishing it out, and this is a little sped up, but this next part I'm gonna show you in real time so that you can see what I'm saying. So I'm taking this next section out, and then you're gonna see me like just part off a little quarter section with my index finger. Take that little quarter section, that's gonna be my anchor part, and then I'm just creating my curve with that. And that's what makes this style a lot easier than it seems. Once I have my anchor braided completely, that's when I kind of connect the rest. And there you go. That's the whole technique. I'm going to show you this a couple more times, sped up, just so that you get it. But if you have it by now, then great. You know, let me know if you try this style, because again, it's so much fun. Like, it definitely took me back to my teenager days when I first started doing it, and I was so excited to have learned this design. But yeah, there you see it again, my little quarter section anchor part, and then me curving it. But this is definitely one of those styles where you want to trust the process, because at any given point you look at this style and you think, what the heck am I doing? But if you see it through to the end, you'll be so glad you did. I was so happy with the results of this. So yeah, just taking it through. I don't know if y'all enjoy this, but I enjoy watching people braid, and I enjoy this part a lot, just watching myself. There's my little anchor part once again, and then just taking the section and completing it. And again, this is why you want to prep. You want to make sure your sections are parted off and well pinned down, but not too much to where you can't pull it out. And you want to have a sort of precision when you're grabbing the hair to braid it, because if you keep grabbing a whole bunch of hair out of the next section, it's going to frustrate you. So just try to be precise and neat with your braiding, and you'll see it come together very nicely. But this braid is almost done. I don't know if I showed that last, like the very last section, because I think I couldn't feel it and I forgot it was there, but then I went back later in the video and like braided it off. But this is the final result before I laid my edges down, and I just followed that same technique through, you know. And I added a little half wig in the back. I know Chrisean had like braids, but baby, I did not have time to be doing braids in the back, like box braids. So this is my result with the baby hairs kind of combed down. I really love this, guys. I had so much fun doing the style, and I'm having a lot of fun rocking the style. So shouts out to Chrisean Rock Stylist. Let me know if you try this, and thank you for watching.